We're going to create some simple programs now that show us how to use, get input from a user, how to use some of the mathematical operators in Scratch, how to do data with creating variables, and we'll look at some of the comparison operators as well. So let's get started with a really simple program that perhaps just asks the user to enter their name. So there's a special block called ask, and that will pop up a little message box where the user can type something in. Once they've typed something in, the contents that they typed in stored in a special variable called answer. So let's say we wanted to send a message back. We can join together a piece of text here and the answer. So the idea being here, the user will type something in, then we're going to say the word hello followed by the word they've typed in. Let's see if that works. There we go. Okay, next what we're going to look at is using some mathematical operators. So let's say what we'd like to do is find out the square of a number that somebody's typed in. So enter a number as our message. And then what we're going to do is we're simply going to multiply the answer they've given us by itself. And there we go. If we type in 3 squared is 9, and that's working as well. Okay, next let's consider something else. So ask the user to enter a code. Okay, and basically what we're going to do here is we're going to take a copy of that code and we're going to store it in a variable so that we could use it later on if we wish to do so. And what we'd need to do is, after we've asked them to enter a code, we simply copy the contents of answer into there. And then later on, if we needed to, we could perhaps go and ask some other questions and use answer again. But now what we're going to do with our code that they've entered is we're going to do a comparison, and we're going to say if the code that they have entered is equal to the very secure password of 1234, then we might kind of say hello, or we might say goodbye. Let's try this. So we enter the code, let's enter the wrong code, and it's not let us in. If we run the program again, if we type in our ultra top secret code, there we go, the system's letting us in. Okay, by using what we've seen now, you should be able to complete the next set of problems.